Hello, and welcome back to Collision Repair's Industry Insider. I'm your host, Allison Rogers. Since the pandemic reached Canadian shores in March, the industry has been forced to adopt infrastructure at a rapid pace in order to comply with social distancing guidelines. Since mid-March, we've witnessed a rise in the use of photo estimation. While many in the sector at large are still critiquing the process, photo estimation has proved itself an invaluable tool in these unprecedented times. When COVID-19 ground the Canadian economy to a halt, Progi accelerated the launch of its Progi photo estimation platform. Frank Sotile, president of CarStar Brampton, and Francesco Frisk Vinciano, general manager of the facility, have implemented the tool. They say it's helped them greatly in developing their contactless procedure and could help them in their mission to offer 24-hour contactless drop-off as a permanent service at CarStar Brampton. In CarStar Brampton's contactless procedure, customers will drive into the employee-free garage, speak to the remote agent behind a glass window who then provides instructions on drop-off and key deposit, sign paperwork in a disinfected signing area using a clean pen in a sealed bag. They'll then pick up any materials, rental car keys, etc., and then leave through the garage through a remote-activated door. While the system is not yet perfected for 24-hour use, Frank says it could help the shop introduce the process post-pandemic.
We might be able to have a 24-hour drop-off there, with all of our processes in place where, we don't need to be there. You can drop off the car, snap your pictures with the Progi system, and you can leave the car in the shop all on your own without anybody being there. That's like a hope and a dream away.
Yeah. Well, the thing is that with this contactless bay, right, the customers are either coming before they go to work or after work, and everyone's always kind of in that rush. They want to get in and out as quick as possible. What you see is that the process is very quick and easy when dropping off their vehicle. So I think that's only going to benefit us even when this is all over, with getting our customers in and out as quick as possible, and they'll be able to get back to their normal routine, right?
For the time being, the facility has been offering contactless drop-off during its operational hours, which have remained unchanged during the pandemic.
Well, I don't want to inconvenience anybody. We've kind of always been focused on serving our customers, and we have longer extended hours than most people as it is. Like, we're open on Tuesdays and Thursday nights till 9 o'clock. We've felt that, that's kind of the business model we've been running with for the past little while, and we're going to continue to do that just to serve our customers and to make sure that they know that we're here for them as much as we need to be.
Regardless, Frank says CarStar Brampton is focused on safely serving the customers at this time, tackling customer fear by ensuring all its clients it has the proper protocols in place.
We're doing everything in our part to keep everybody safe, but they don't know us from anyone, right? So they don't, we're saying, yeah, we're clean, we're good, but they don't know us. They want to protect themselves as well as they want to protect us, right? That's been our goal, is to build the relationship with the driving public, and the goal is just getting them over that fear. I think fear is the best word to describe what people are feeling, the uncertainty.
Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of Industry Insider. Make sure you're subscribed on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, SoundCloud, and Google Music, and stay tuned to Collision Repair for new episodes.